a new multi-level inverter-based grid-connected reliable solar power transfer unit with power quality enhancement. Abstract. The main objective of this project is to develop an innovative and efficient solar power transfer unit that seamlessly integrates renewable energy sources into the grid while enhancing power quality. Here is our website, which you can find the 𝗙E projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From 𝗙E simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references. PowerPoint presentation. In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, advantages, simulation diagram results, applications, software, hardware requirements, conclusion, references, results of the project. The proposed system optimally utilizes a PV array, achieving a 9-level output voltage with minimal device count and reduced losses. Employing an adaptive least mean square algorithm, the single-stage PO maximizes power extraction from varying irradiance levels, enhancing grid power quality by meeting nonlinear local load demands. In this project, a novel 9-level multi-level inverter MLLI-based grid-connected solar power transfer unit is implemented. The system exhibits low-frequency switching, reduced output voltage, total harmonic distortion, and heightened power transfer efficiency. Leveraging an LMS-based grid integration control algorithm, the MLI demonstrates swift and smooth control performance under dynamic load conditions. Battery-supported DC bus voltage regulation enhances system reliability, accommodating equal and unequal irradiance variations while maintaining output voltage levels and maximum power point tracking. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.